Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Alight Motion for motion edits, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Alight Motion app on your device. If you have not yet installed the app, visit your device's app store to download it. Once the app is open, you will be greeted with the home screen. Look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Tap on the login button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address. Next, input your password in the provided field. Double-check your email and password for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the main interface. If you do not have an account, look for the Sign Up option on the login screen. Tap on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required fields, including your email and password. Review the terms of service and privacy policy before agreeing. Tap the Create Account button to complete the registration process. After signing up, you may need to verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Alight Motion. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Return to the app and repeat the login steps using your new credentials. Now that you're logged in, you can start making motion edits. Explore the app's features to begin creating your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.